Hi Naples parents, I'm Danielle Futia, Special Events and Marketing Supervisor. If you've lived in Naples for a while, you may already know a thing or two about hurricanes. But if you're new like me, then you have a lot to learn. Here's a few tips on how families with children can prepare for a hurricane. Tip number 1, have a plan. If you're not sure where to start, visit the website on your screen to help guide you along your planning process. This is a useful tool that will help you create a family emergency communication plan. Tip number 2, create an emergency kit. This kit should include items such as your basic first aid kit, drinking water, batteries, flashlights, medications, diapers, wipes, formula, and non-perishable food items. Parents, do not forget your child's favorite snack. With all of the uncertainty that comes with a hurricane, consider including items like your child's immunization form, medical records, and any other important documents you may have. I don't know about you, but I haven't memorized a phone number since the early 2000s, so make sure you have a list of emergency contacts written down. Tip number 3, entertain your children like it's 1990. No tablet? No problem. Gather board games, books, puzzles, and coloring books, and make sure their favorite battery-powered toys are ready for action. Tip number 4, know your resources. It's important to stay informed leading up to a hurricane. If your child is enrolled in any of the Collier County Public Schools, you can find updates on their website at collierschools.com. If a member of your family has special needs, Palmetto Ridge High School provides shelter. You can find a complete list of shelters on Collier County's website under Emergency Management. You can also sign up for emergency alert apps such as Alert Naples and Alert Collier. As always, the city's Facebook and Instagram pages are updated regularly with important information. So do you think you're ready to brave the storm? Maybe, maybe not, but at least now you're a little more prepared.